Alright, good morning here. For this morning's math session, we're going to look at using the bus stop method to divide. It's really quite easy as long as you know your times tables. So it's really important that you get to know your times tables. They are the bedrock of a lot of maths. Okay, so make sure that we know them. Right, we will start easy. So we're just going to do some division. Okay, and division basically means how many of a group can you fit into a number. Okay, so for example, if I know 10 times 4 equals 40, that's my multiplication, then I also know that 40 divided by 4 equals 10. So they're quite easy because they're in the 10 times tables. So I know that there's 4 lots of 10 in 40, or I know that there's 10 lots of 4 in 40. Okay, very simple. Today though, we're going to have a look at using the bus stop method for ones that we might not be able to do mentally very quickly. So let's move these over here under this bus stop and we'll have a look here. So we'll start with a nice easy number. Okay, you always put the divisor, that is the number that you're going to divide by, on the outside. So here I'm going to use 3 because we're going to do 12 divided by 3. Now I know some of you will be able to go, oh, I know this already, but this is just to show you the method. We'll do a couple of harder ones soon. So that's my divisor, and that just goes on the outside of this sort of right angled box. It's called the bus stop method because it looks a little bit like a bus stop. It's like the numbers are sheltering underneath it. Then I'm going to put my dividend under here. So 12 goes under there. Now I'm going to try working it out. So this is a bit easy. So 3, how many times does 3 go into 1? 0 times, because if I count up to 1, it's already less than 3, so I know it's going to be 0. So that goes there, and I carry this 1 next to the 12, to the 2 to make a 12. Now I do 3's into 12. So how many 3's go into 12? 3, 6, 9, 12. 4 times. So I put my 4 here, and that's it. Okay, so 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Nice easy start. Now I just borrow this, take it to the next page, we'll have another go, and this time we'll make it a bit more tricky. Okay, so now we're going to do, let's try 26 divided by 2. Again, some of you might be thinking, oh, I can do this in my head. That's absolutely fine, but the aim here is just to show you the method so that you can do it with trickier numbers. So I put my 2 on the outside because that's the number I'm dividing by. The number I'm dividing goes in here, and we call that. Okay, so the 2 into 2. How many 2's go into 2? So you just count up in your 2's. 2. That's it, so it's one lot of 2. How many 2's go into 6? 2, 4, 6. 3 lots of 2. 13. Easy peasy. Okay. Next one. This time we will make it a little bit trickier. Okay, so 46 divided by 3. Okay, so I'll put a 3 here, put my 46 under here. So this time there's going to be something called a remainder. Now a remainder is simply what is left over. So I'll put that here. Now 3 into 4. I can't open my 3's. 3. Okay, that's it. It's one lot of 3. But it's not exactly. Between 3 and 4, there's still 1 left over. So I carry my remainder next to the 6 here. So that becomes a 16, because remember, it's a 3. We'll imagine this is a 40. You'd be carrying a 10 over here. So we've got 10 and 6, which is 16. Now we do 3's in a 16. So we go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Oh no, 18's too far. So it's 15, which is 5 lots of 3. So 15, put my 5 there. That's 5 lots of 3. And I put my remainder, little r, remainder 1. So 3's into 46. You've got 15 whole 3's and 1 left over. So that one was a little bit trickier. Let's try another one now. What we'll do, I'll take you to the sheet that you'll be working on, and you can see how these go. Now none of these have got remainders. I don't think any have got remainders, but let's have a look. So let's try this one. 54 divided by 3. It's on the more challenging one. It's not superstar, but it is more challenging. So 54 divided by 3. Let's have a look. So 3, 54. This is the last one we'll do, so let's make sure it gets absolutely properly done. Right, so 3 into 5. 3 into 5, I'm going to count in my 3's. 3, and that's it. It's just one time that the whole 3 fits into 5. So 1. And there's 2 left over. 4, 5. So 2 left over. I put my 2 here. But remember, it's like 2 lots of 10. So that's why it makes this 24. Now I'm going to count in my 3's until I get to 24. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Now on my fingers, because I've been counting on my fingers as well, that's 8. So 3's into 24 goes 8 times. Okay, so 54 divided by 3 equals 18. Okay, that's not bad. It's quite easy, and you will have seen, or you'll have heard, that I was counting on my fingers through that just to check my times tables. You can do that if you are still learning your times tables. However, or you can use a times table square to help you. However, if you know your times tables, then you will be able to do this a lot faster. Okay, it's a nice, easy way to learn your division. Enjoy your worksheets. I'll just quickly show you what you need to do. Okay. You've got 6 questions per column. These are your ones that you should start on. Then they get more challenging, and then superstar material here. Now the reason that these are just challenging is it just use the 3, 4, the 2 and the 5 times tables. This has got a 6 times table in there, and we've got some 7s in here as well. Okay, anyway, enjoy. I hope it goes well for you, and if you forget how to do it, at the top of this sheet there is a quick guideline as well. Alright, good luck.